again, it's a very cool scanner. And how it works is we got our handheld unit, just like we've used in the past here, but it's actually a photogrammetry system and a scanner all built into one unit, and it all takes the positioning targets and the data live. Basically, how it works is a scanner sees a working volume. The elite version of the scanner actually has a variable working volume depending on whether you want to do smaller high resolution or very large, extremely fast scanning. And we can adjust that volume and that offset as we go. So if you want to do something the size of a vehicle on your largest volume, you can scan the whole thing in just a few minutes. And the way that it ties that whole system together is with, you can see we've got the Max Elite and the Max. They've got their different scale bars. So highest accuracy, highest volumetric accuracy, best possible amount of flexibility, you're going to go with the Elite, which is the one we expect. I'm going to use personally for projects, and that's the probably going to be selling the most of. But you can see here on the accuracy, 0.003 of an inch for a localized area, and then we have basically 0.004 of an inch plus not even 2/10, less than 2/10, so 18/10 of an inch per foot. So you can see using the scale bars and our target pattern across the entire part, we're going to get very, very tight accuracy on large components. It's very cool. And you got a picture down there. You can see we've got the, this very large part, and you can see the laser pattern we can throw on this thing. It's pretty wild. All right, a few more images of it in action. And this shows you all the different areas that we're very excited to use this, because typically we would have to use a scanner I'm going to show later, the Metroscan, or we would have, and that's a lot of equipment, or we would need to use a very dense target pattern with our HandySCAN Black, which I'm going to talk about next. But blue laser scanner, so we can scan harsh surfaces very well, and we've got a huge working volume, so we can cover a lot of data at one time.